Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in horticulture and landscaping. It refers to a piece of land where plants, flowers, and vegetables are cultivated for aesthetic or practical purposes. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. In British accent, we may pronounce it as garden, 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 while in American accent, we may pronounce it as garden, 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 garden. You can check out other videos for more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share more words you'd like us to pronounce in the comments below. See you next time.